Welcome to my channel. I'm very happy for you guys to be here with me today. For the one that are new, my name is Jen. Welcome. And for today's look, I decided to recreate a look that I've seen on Instagram. Okay, her name is Princess K. I hope I'm not pronouncing this wrong, but I will link her Instagram below in the description box. And I don't know if you can see, but that's her. It is not exactly the same, but it has inspired me today for this look. If you want to know how I recreated this look, then keep on watching. Alright, lovelies. So I am starting by priming my eyelids using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair, and I will be blending this out using my Morphe brush. For today's look, I'm using the Nicka K Perfect 23 Matte Colors palette, and I will start by packing this black shade in my crease. And be careful, when you play with black, you really want to pack this color slowly until you get the desired shade. Next, in my crease, I will go in with this purple on top of the black. Same thing again, I am patting this color on my crease. Next, to blend out the purple shade, I will go in with this pink shade. To set my brows and above the pink shade, I will go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium Deep 30. Now I am removing the black out of my lid using a makeup remover, and I will go in with the same concealer to carve out my crease. Since I don't want a defined cut crease, I will be blending out the edges of the cut crease. In the inner part of my crease, I will go in with this light pink of the palette. And on the outer part of my crease, I will go in with the lightest blue shade of the palette. Next, I will be doing a little tiny wing eyeliner because, you know, it is not easy to have a beautiful wing eyeliner with hooded eyes. So, yeah. To prime my face, I will be using the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect Primer. I will be rubbing this into my skin. For foundation, I am using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Mahogany. Ooh, I didn't want this to go on my brows. Look at this. I will be blending the foundation using my damp Sonic Shook sponge. To conceal my face, I will go in first with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon. to brighten a little my highlighted areas, I will go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Walnut 395. And I will be highlighting under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, above my lips, and my chin. To set my highlighted areas, I will go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium Deep 30. To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Powder in the shade Classic Tan. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. To contour my face, I will be using the Nicka K Duo Contour Palette. I will be contouring my cheekbones and my jawline and forehead. Now I am applying my lashes. On my lower lash line, I went in with the pink shade of the palette. This part was cut, sorry. I will be coating my lower lashes with the same mascara. And to bronze a little, I will go in with the Absolute New York Pro Bronzer in the shade Dark. I will go above my cheek contour and on my nose. For highlighter, I will go in with this MAC Studio Contour Quad. I will also be using this palette to highlight my inner tear dot, and I will go in above the highlight shade in my inner tear dot with this hard Candy Single and Loving It eyeshadow in the shade Naughty Girl. For lips, I'm going in with Nicka K Bold Eye Pencil in the shade Brown. For lipstick, I'm going in with this LA Girl Matte Pigment Gloss in the shade Fantasy. And oh boy, pigment, they were right about that. I was so shocked. And it dries matte fast, so that's why I'm using my fingers to blend it out. And next, finally, I will go in with my lip gloss from the beauty supply store. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And before you leave, do not forget to subscribe because I really want for us to grow in a big family. Let me know what are your thoughts on this look in the comment down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Mwah.